After a crash, everything moves fast. Sirens, phone calls, insurance forms. But one thing can make all the difference: understanding your auto policy. Today, we're breaking down 3 key parts of your auto insurance policy after a crash in California, so you know what really protects you. It's easy to feel lost after an accident. Between repair shops, adjusters, and medical bills, your policy might feel like a puzzle. But what's actually covered? What's not? And how do those fine print details affect your recovery? In this video, we'll walk through the 5 big pieces of your policy: liability limits, medical payments, and uninsured motorist coverage. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of how these work together when things go wrong on California roads. Let's start with liability limits. This is the coverage that pays for injuries or property damage if you're found at fault in a crash. California recently updated its minimum liability limits for the first time in decades. Starting in 2025, the new requirements cover up to $30,000 for one person's injuries, $60,000 for multiple people, and $15,000 for property damage. It's a big change that could affect every driver. Even with those increases, your costs could go higher after a serious crash. That's why many people choose more than the minimum coverage, to avoid paying out of pocket if damages exceed those limits. Next up, medical payments coverage, or MedPay. This one's optional in California, but it can be a huge help after a crash. MedPay covers medical expenses for you and your passengers, no matter who caused the accident. It can help with ambulance fees, hospital visits, or even follow-up care without waiting on another driver's insurance. For many California drivers, MedPay fills the gap between health insurance and auto coverage. It's especially helpful when bills start coming in before liability is sorted out. Another critical area is uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, often called or UIM. This is the safety net when the other driver doesn't have enough insurance. In California, hit and runs and drivers without coverage are more common than most realize. and UIM coverage steps in to pay for your injuries or damages when the other side can't. Without this coverage, even a simple rear-end collision could leave you stuck with medical or repair bills you never expected. It's one of those protections you hope to never use, but you're grateful for if you do. So to recap, your liability limits cover others when you're at fault. MedPay covers your own medical costs, and UIM coverage protects you from uninsured drivers. Add in policy exclusions and strict claim deadlines, and use the full picture of why your policy matters after a crash. If you've been in an accident in California and aren't sure what your policy covers, check out the full blog for a clear breakdown of each section and what to look for before you renew your coverage. Understanding your auto policy isn't just paperwork, it's peace of mind. At Justin for Justice, we help California drivers protect their rights and recover confidently after an accident. Call 310-407-7391 for a free consultation, and let's help you get back on the road with confidence.